What's up, you guys? It's your girl Ayala, and today I am back with another video. And as you guys seen by that title, I am going to be showing you guys how you guys can get these super cute sleek braided ponytails. These literally only took me like 15 minutes to do, so I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I did and the products that I used. So yeah, we're just gonna get straight into this video, but before we do, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome. This channel is about beauty, lifestyle, fashion, and so much more. And if you already been here, you know what's up. So let's get into the video. Alright, so what you'll need is some Eco Styler gel, some Instant Control, some mousse, a detangling brush, a flyaway brush, a wide tooth comb, a rat tail comb, and some rubber bands along with braiding hair. And lastly, you'll need a couple hair ties. So what I am about to do right now is create my middle part. I am using my rat tail comb, and pretty self-explanatory, just making a part straight down the middle of my head. So this is the fun part where we start prepping to sleek our hair down. So what I'm going to do is take my wide tooth comb and just detangle my hair. You want to start detangling your hair from the bottom. Never go from the roots all the way down. Just don't do that. If you want to try that, try it, and that's your business. But that's what I'm doing right now, just detangling my hair. You guys will see me switch throughout the video from the wide tooth comb to the detangling brush to the flyaway brush. So I just want to let you guys know that ahead of time. But what I'm doing now is taking my Eco Styler gel and starting to slick my hair down. You can honestly put as much gel as you want or as much gel as you prefer. For me, there's really like no set amount. I kind of just put as much as I feel like I need. And as you guys can see, I have switched to the detangling brush. That's literally the best brush ever. And as I said before, I am switching from the wide tooth comb to the detangling brush to the flyaway brush, just because they all work in their own different ways. So I use them all. And as you guys can see, I did take out a side piece for like a little bit of edges, or I should say sideburns and not edges. But yeah, you guys, I'm just slicking that down. So this is what it is looking like so far. Also, if you guys haven't noticed already, I am working on dirty hair. I just wanted to put that out there just in case anybody tried to come for me in the comments. But yeah, I actually just took out a protective style, so I am working on dirty hair. Don't judge me. Honestly, it doesn't really matter. But anyways, continue. So boom. As you guys can see, I actually have slicked down both sides. They look super sleek. I honestly wish that I could sleek my hair down with no heat without it waving up, but that's just how my hair is. And yeah, but what I'm doing here is applying some mousse so that I can seal the hair down so that it doesn't come up, and so that it takes away any extra frizz on my hair. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then after this, we're going to get into how I add the fake hair into my natural hair to create the braid. Alright, so as you guys can see, I have some black hair right here. This is actually the color 1B, and I'm using expression hair. And what I'm doing is just plucking down, or not plucking, but stretching out the bottom of the hair so that I can get it to the length that I desire. All right, so what I'm doing next is taking 3 rubber bands. You want to use about 3 to 4 rubber bands, and you're just going to pretty much stretch out the hair for its entire length, and then you're going to wrap that around, put it on top of your natural hair, and wrap the rubber band around. And that's pretty much how you attach the fake hair to your real hair. And then what you want to do is take a small piece of hair and just put it to the side. And with the rest of the hair, you want to make 3 sections, because obviously you need 3 sections to braid. And you want to make 3 sections with your natural hair as well. And once you have all 3 sections together, the 3 sections of fake hair and the 3 sections of your natural hair together, you want to kind of just tuck your natural hair into the fake hair, so when you braid, your natural hair is covered as much as possible. And then you pretty much just start braiding. It's actually really simple. Anybody can do this. I would just say to perfect this and get this, as sleek as possible. It just comes with practice, but literally anybody can do this. This is my first time doing it, and I think that I did a pretty good job. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think, actually. And also make sure to give this video a like if you're still watching, because I like you, and it's obvious that you like me. So. I actually don't know where I was going with that, but yeah, just make sure to give this video a like. And if you have not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn that post notification bell on. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, so I'm just braiding down, and once I'm done braiding down, then I'll show you guys what I do next. Alright, so as you guys can see, I am done braiding. And now what I'm going to do is take that piece that we separated from the braid at the beginning, and we're just going to wrap that around the top to cover up the excess hair and all that other stuff that we don't want people seeing. And I do see sometimes people use got to be glue, or got to be spray or something to seal it, but honestly, you don't need any product. You just need to wrap it tight enough to where it doesn't come apart. All right, you guys. So as you guys can see, I have finished both sides. I actually feel like this second side is just a little bit thinner as far as the braid, but it's okay. It was my first time, and this is really just a tutorial showing you guys how to do it. So hopefully when you do this style, you put the same amount of hair on each side and you won't have the problem I had. But honestly, I still wasn't tripping because I thought it was still cute, and who's gonna notice? Ain't nobody gonna be looking that hard. And if you are, get out of my business. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, as you guys can see, what I am doing now, or what I'm about to do, is sleek down my sideburns. I am using the Instant Control Edge Control. It's literally the best edge control. If you guys watch my previous videos, you guys already know that. But after I do that, what I'm going to do next is dip my ends, so I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so this is the final product. Dipping is optional. It just takes away the stiffness, but you don't have to if you don't want to. But yeah, you guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn that post notification bell on so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. And I will see you guys soon. Peace.